Alright, so we've got the finished product installed. You can see it's not too conspicuous from the outside. However, the inside it looks great. I love the enamel finish to it. Very easy to clean. Feels very durable. Again, I didn't do the spray paint kind. I actually bought it and kind of rolled it on to get this texture. I've installed the crossovers for the 8-inch mids that I have in the doors here on the side, because it's kind of somewhat of a mess back there, the amount of wires I have. It's okay for now, I think. What I like is when I drive the car, because it's white, you know, right behind me, it actually feels pretty clean. Instead of being like a black dark hole, it feels on a little bit nicer. Here's the finished setup. I got the custom LiPos, the amps, fuses. Went ahead and I kind of sanded this down a little bit more. That way the edge is a little nicer. It barely just makes it past the window when I close it. Again, I just love the finish. It looks really nice in person. Here's the 8-channel that drives all the speakers in the car. Got it all hooked up to the batteries over here. These are the two main runs coming from the inverter and from the AGM in the front. So, just for you that haven't seen my other videos, basically here's the main setup. I've got 6.5s along with tweeters, and those crossovers are actually in the front door. And then I have the 8-inch midwoofer and the crossovers in the back. That's the one that you saw. I also have these 2-ways, so they're basically 3.5 plus tweeters inside the A-pillars. And I have some 6.5s, you can't see them, in right behind the box over here. And of course, the 4 12-inch EMFs band hammers. So in total, it's almost 16,000 watts. Yeah, so that's that. So again, I removed the black vinyl I had on here because it was kind of coming unglued due to the heat in the car. Put the white epoxy paint. Looks great, feels great, easy to clean. Overall, I'm happy with the time investment. It took a few weeks because I'm pretty busy at work and with the kids. It was definitely worth the extra effort. Started getting a bit sad after almost, a month of no bass in the car. But now that it's in, I could enjoy it again, and it looks great. Finally, I don't know if you could tell because it's kind of bright outside and there's a reflection. You could see it now inside the car. It stands out a little bit more. Before it was kind of all dark and black and blended in, but now I think it's easier to see and they kind of stand out. Kind of like that, not sure, just a little bit different. Just like that, the white now matches pretty well. Yeah, the other custom thing I had was I built that little pod over there. It's got some switches to turn on the amps in the back. It's got a thermometer there, you can see how hot the amps are. It's a pretty hot day today in Southern California, so it's 100 degrees without even running it. That's a voltage. Right now it's 13.4 sitting, and of course when I turn the car on, it bumps up to 14. It sits higher than your 12.7s because of the LiPos in the back. With the AGM it would sit at 12.7, but with these LiPos it's at 13.6, 13.4, depending on the temperature. Hope you enjoyed it.